Three friends, one shared dream, and 100 reasons to quit, but they didn't. And this is their story, a story that might just remind you, you don't need to have it all to begin. You just need the courage to start. Priya was a self-taught artist with a sketchbook full of dreams. Karan, quiet, focused, baked like it was poetry. And Dave, he was the talker, college dropout, full of charm, full of chaos. They met in a messy canteen in Jaipur. Three strangers, same fire. Over chai and soggy samosas, a sentence slipped out that changed everything. What if we started a bakery? Not just any bakery, one where every dessert told a story. They called it Crumb Canvas because what they lacked in money, they made up for in soul. They borrowed, begged, and sold what they could. Old phones, speakers, even Priya's favorite paint set. Dave printed flyers by hand. Karan spent nights perfecting recipes with ingredients they couldn't afford to waste. Priya designed a logo on a laptop that crashed every hour. Finally, on a warm Sunday morning, they opened their little shop. Day 1, 12 visitors. 10 were family. Day 7, empty chairs, melted frosting. Hope, fading, but they held on until one evening, a customer stormed out. "This cupcake is raw, 1-star review, public, brutal." Karan went silent. Dave shut down. And Priya, she locked herself in the storeroom, whispering, maybe they were right, maybe we're just not enough. 3 days passed. The shutters stayed down. No noise, no light. Then, on the 4th day, a note slipped under the door. It said, "Your chocolate tart reminded me of my late mother's recipe. Please don't stop." No name, no number, just that. It was all they needed. They got back to work, this time differently. Dave DM'd food bloggers with their story. Priya filmed Karan's 2 a.m. baking experiments. They posted everything, no filters, no fakes. Not perfect, but made with heart. That became their caption, and somehow it caught fire. The post went viral. People connected to their rawness, their grit. In 6 months, they had a wait list. 1 year later, 3 outlets and a team of 12. And the woman who wrote the note? She walked in one evening, smiled and said, "I just wanted you to know you saved more than just a memory." They never got her name, but they called her Hope. Today, Crumb Canvas isn't just a bakery. It's a reminder that failure isn't the end. It's the starting point of those who don't give up. Every box they deliver carries a small card. To the one who's about to give up, this bite is for you. If you're watching this right now and life feels like a closed shop with shutters down, remember, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be ready. You just need to start with heart and with the right people by your side. If this story lit even a small spark in you, like, share, and subscribe to Life Lessons Simplified. We bring you real stories for real people chasing real dreams.